Also tonight, the U.S. has surpassed 550,000 COVID deaths, and cases are spiking again in more than half the country. Infections among children are also on the rise. We get more now from CBS's Omar Villafranca.
Tonight, doctors warning the next COVID surge is not on the horizon, it's already here. Cases now rising in over half the country, 27 states, including New York, Connecticut, and Louisiana. Nationwide, infections up double digits in the last week compared to the one before. Especially troubling, the rise in pediatric cases. In Michigan, per capita COVID cases among 10 to 19-year-olds rising faster than any other age group, more than doubling in the last month.
We're seeing the increase in transmission in young kids, primarily in the upper Midwest and the Northeast right now. But that's just a matter of time before we see it go throughout the entire United States. Unfortunately, we are going to see a rise in pediatric hospitalizations and serious illness.
Doctors saying the surge can be slowed if Americans don't let their guard down and get vaccinated.
We are almost at the finish line, but we're not there.
Today, the head of the CDC talking with the nation's governors.
And I encouraged all governors to include a mask mandate in their states. And to the extent that states were not having a mask mandate, as we do have in Massachusetts, I would ask citizens to mask regardless of the mandate.
But tonight, Arkansas became the latest state to lift its mask mandate.
It's an appropriate time to lift the statewide mask mandate.
Meanwhile, the U.S. and 13 other countries issuing a joint statement criticizing the World Health Organization's investigation in China about the origins of the coronavirus outbreak, saying the study was significantly delayed and lacked access to complete original data and samples. And as the country continues the race to vaccinate, a number of temporary FEMA sites are set to close next month as the Biden administration works to make retail pharmacies the main distribution point.
At the time we opened the site, the vaccine was still limited. We weren't able to push it out to the local pharmacies, doctors' offices, and so now we're seeing it more available.
This site here in LA County has administered more than 269,000 doses in about a month and a half. And as more vaccine becomes available, a new poll shows more Americans are willing to get the shot, most notably the black community. As many as 55% polled say they want to get vaccinated, and that's up 14 points since February. Norah?
CBS's Omar Villafranca, thank you.